Hey guys, here's Louie. Gonna give you guys a quick update of what Louie was doing yesterday to the Lovebird. Okay, guys, I will explain everything on another video. I want to make this one short and sweet. That's for all my YouTube followers that have been loyal to me throughout the Lovebird projects and the other projects from the past. I appreciate your support. I appreciate all the thumbs up and also the beautiful comments you guys always leave me. But I know you are as excited as I was yesterday when I saw this, and I'm still excited. So check this out. Bam! There goes the Lovebird. All four wheels on the ground. And let me tell you something, she is looking sweet. So I was able to paint the complete subframe except where the control arms are. Okay, and the reason I did that, I explained before in the other video. I want the weight of the engine with the transmission and the car, so it could be easier of removing these springs. And once everything is off, believe me, nothing will come into the car, the engine bay or anything like that, while being rust free and also painted. I was able to paint the firewall also. And just to let you guys know the dedication that it takes to get these cars done, Monday night I broke night in the garage because I was off Tuesday. Full day Tuesday I was off, so I broke night Monday from like 8 p.m. that I put my kids to bed all the way to about 2ish in the morning, painting the underneath of the car. So the car is painted from all the way to the back underneath and sealed, and also the firewall. And I had the frame on that side. I show you guys how I primed it, and there you go, satin black. Okay, I used the Rust-Oleum type paint I told you with hardener. If you guys want to know the mixing ratio and all that kind of stuff, I'll explain it in another video. How I'm going to be explaining how I put the subframe in, the rear end, and all that kind of stuff. What do I put down first, if it's the back or the front? What Louis does, how do I measure for the body bushings and the frame not to be, you know, off, to be nice and straight. But yeah, the Lovebird is looking great. I mean, what an accomplishment of doing the complete floor, rear frame rails, all the way to the toe boards. I mean, there was a lot of metal repair here to this car. Okay, I'm going to be priming this section with the red oxidized primer next, and also that back section, clean off all that surface rust, make it nice and smooth, and prime it. There she is. I mean, I just cannot stop looking at her like this because she's actually starting to look like a car again. Okay, there she goes. And she's looking really nice and sweet. I mean, I am really happy how this car is turning out. All right. And sitting nice in the back to the front. All right, everything in the back was overhauled, brand new shocks. Leaf springs was rebuilt by me. I have a video on that. It's a long one, but a good one. All the bushings at the front of the eye pocket, all the way in the back of the shackles are brand new hardware. Everything is new. So the next goal is making everything new for the front, which I have over there in the closet. Guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being loyal to me and my channel. I appreciate your support, and trust me, I know that these things cannot get done without you guys supporting me. So my goal is also to go through the dashboard. I already fixed all the rust that you guys saw that I fixed here, and I welded this. Okay, I'm going to be sanding this smooth also. And over here, somebody made 2 extra holes. I already weld those up and grind it down. Now I'm going to sand everything so I could also seal it. I'm going to be working on that. My next goal will be to bring the steering column and go through it. Anything that I have to change, anything that I have to rebuild, do it and put it on. And I'll probably just prime it for now, and later on I'll paint it black. But I would like to have a steering wheel like that. I could steer the car as a roller in and out. But I ain't too far, guys, for making her run under her own power. And remember, I'm putting back a Pontiac 350. I'm going to put also a turbo 350. And the gears that I have on this car is 336. So she should have some nice driving abilities in the highway and also in the local streets. I have the Pontiac motor over there. I have to get some things before I actually put it on the car. I want to repaint it and clean it up a little and clean up the pulleys and all that. So there is still things to do. I also need to plumb the car. All my Firebirds, I have done the brake lines and fuel line from scratch, from a coil, okay? I'm not going that route on this car because I just feel that it takes too much time, and time that I really don't have. I mean, I just happen to get really busy lately. So I'm going to cut all that in half, and I'm going to buy them pre-bent, pre-flared, and put them on the car. And then I'll work my way in getting the drivetrain in. You guys keep an eye out. The videos will be coming out. Like I said, I just want to share the process. And the thing with the Lovebird, I mean, come on, guys. 8 months. And I was able to do all the sheet metal in the car. Okay. The shell sheet metal and welded. Remember that this car came floating. Even the rockers was floating. Nothing was really welded on this car, and I had to move the rockers around. I had to do a lot of things to this car to get it back into this kind of shape. Well, guys, thank you so much. Here's the Lovebird, and one day this car will be flying again down the road. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and remember, keep your hands dirty. My hands ain't dirty today, but they was yesterday. Keep your hands dirty, and you'll see your project just like this moving forward. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.